Good evening. Okay, so let me continue 2.4 lesson, solving inequalities. Let me show you how to solve your turn number 4, example 1. Okay, Zachary is planning to send a video game to each of his two brothers. If he buys the same game for both brothers and pays $4.75 to ship each game, how much can he spend on each game without spending more than $100? The first thing that you have to do is to know what is asked. So you can identify what will be your variable. So we're looking for how much can he spend on each game. So which means we're looking how much is one game. So X is the cost is per game or each game. Okay. After you found out what is asked, okay, so you need to know what inequality are you going to use. So they said that without spending more than 100, so which means the money of Zachary is only $100. So your inequality will be less than or equal to 100 because this is the only money that he can spend. It can be 100 or less than 100. And then how much is the game? So we don't know how much is the game, that is X. But then there is a shipping fee of how much? 4.75. So you add 4.75. But then also, how many games did Zachary buy? So because he has two brothers and he's going to send a video game to each of his two brothers. So multiply by 2. Okay? So this is the inequality. So to solve this, we apply like solving equations. So we do distributive first. 2 times x is 2x. Okay. Plus, okay, 2 times 4.75 is what? 9.5. Okay, less than or equal to 100. Okay, then we do inverse operation, minus 9.5 minus 9.5. So which means, what is left here? 2x. 2x is less than or equal to, what is 100 minus 9.5? So which means the answer is 90.5. Okay, so 90.5. And then, to find x, we divide both sides. So how much is each game now? So x is less than or equal to, divide by 2, 90.5. So which means one game is 45.25. So the cost of each game can be 45.25 or less than 45.25. Okay, did you get it? Okay, how about in this case? How do you solve this kind of inequality? It's either you do distributive or you divide 4 over 3. Okay, let me do distributive this time. What is 4 over 3 times 6? When you're multiplying, you can do cancellation, right? It's like 4 over 3 times 6x plus 9 times 4 over 3 and then less than 4. So which means we can cancel this and this. So this is 1, this is 2. What is 2 times 4? 8x. You can cancel also 9 and 3. So this is 3, this is 1. What is 3 times 4? So that is 12. Then less than 4. So then we apply inverse operation. Minus 12, minus 12. Okay, cancel. So what is left here? 8x less than 4 minus 12 is what? Negative 8. So which means if you have 8x less than negative 8, so you can divide both sides by 8. So the answer is x is less than negative 1. Okay? Try to do number 6. Okay, that's all.